The French Directorate General of Armaments recently received the last NH90 Caiman tactical transport helicopter for the French Army at the Airbus Helicopters facility in Marignane. With this delivery, the NH90 procurement for the French Army is officially completed, replacing the previously deployed Puma helicopters. Today, the NH90 fleet has been integrated in the Army's aviation forces to support tactical transportation, medical evacuation, and logistics missions. The Puma helicopter, developed in the 1960s, is a twin-engine medium-utility helicopter that meets the French Army's needs for all-weather transportation. With its Turbomeca Turbo turboshaft engine, the Puma is capable of carrying 16 soldiers, 6 stretchers with 4 medics, or 2,500 kilograms of cargo, both internally and externally. The Puma is also equipped with various advanced systems, such as automatic blade inspection and 5-stage reduction transmission, enabling operation in nighttime conditions and difficult terrain. The French Army now operates 63 NH90 TTH helicopters as part of the Army's light aviation ALAT fleet. It replaces the Puma as the main tactical transport helicopter, which can carry up to 20 troops or 2.5 tons of cargo. In addition, a total of 18 NH90 TTH helicopters configured for Special Operations Forces have been ordered with deliveries scheduled between 2026 and 2029. In addition to the TTH variant for the Army, the French Navy also operates 27 units of the NATO NH90 frigate helicopter, NFH, called Caiman Marine for anti-submarine warfare, ASW, anti-surface warfare, ASUW, and maritime search and rescue, ASAR, missions. The helicopter is equipped with Mu-90 dipping sonar and torpedoes, replacing old platforms such as Lynx and Super Frelon in naval aviation tasks. NH90 TTH is an 11-ton twin-engine transport helicopter, developed through European cooperation between France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, and Belgium. Designed for battlefield operations, medical evacuation, and air transportation, it is equipped with fly-by-wire controls, a composite body and modular avionics. Its cruising speed reaches 300 kilometers per hour with a range of 880 kilometers, 1,600 kilometers in ferry configuration, and can operate up to an altitude of 3,500 meters. Other features include a rappel system, fast roping, and a rear ramp for cargo loading, and a door-mounted machine gun. The NH90 program began in the late 1980s as a NATO initiative to develop a new generation of multi-role military helicopters. NH Industries, a consortium formed by Airbus Helicopters, Leonardo and Fokker, managed the program. The first prototype flew in 1995, and the NH90 entered service in 2007. As of March 2024, 515 NH90s have been delivered to various countries, with production continuing. Despite being used by many operators and seeing improvements with new mission systems, some countries, such as Norway and Australia, withdrew the NH90 from service due to maintenance cost, availability, and operational challenges. The NH90 is still in production, with efforts continuing to improve operational limitations and ease maintenance across its variants. In an effort to overcome challenges related to maintenance and operational costs, the NH90 continues to undergo technical development and upgrades. Some countries, such as Germany and Italy, continue to entrust their NH90 fleets, updating mission systems and maintenance processes to extend the helicopter's operational life. Despite some issues, the NH90 remains one of the most advanced military transport helicopters, designed to operate in a variety of extreme terrain and weather conditions. Moreover, the presence of the NH90 in the armed forces of its user countries demonstrates a commitment to the modernization of their helicopter fleets, as well as an effort to ensure the mobility and effectiveness of troops in various missions. By continuously adapting to evolving operational requirements, the NH90 is expected to continue to play an important role in armed forces around the world, providing reliable and efficient tactical transport capabilities. At the same time, efforts to improve maintainability and lower the helicopter's operating costs are the main focus of further development. Over time, with continuous improvement, it is expected that the NH90 will be optimized to meet the needs of the military on land, sea, and air, and be able to operate in the most challenging situations. The future looks bright for the NH90, with countries committed to enhancing the helicopter's capabilities and ensuring that it can continue to serve as the backbone of modern military operations for both land and naval forces. As part of the military helicopter fleet modernization strategy, the NH90 continues to integrate advanced technologies and innovations to improve its operational efficiency. One of the significant efforts is the development of a more advanced avionics system, including the integration of a more powerful mission management system and the utilization of satellite communication technology to enhance coordination capabilities in complex battlefields. This enables the helicopter to operate more effectively in a variety of situations, including search and rescue missions, as well as logistics transportation to hard-to-reach areas. In addition, improving the ability to operate in more extreme environments, such as polar low temperatures or hot desert terrain, was a priority in the development of the NH90. The helicopter is equipped with advanced heating and cooling systems, as well as protective technologies to deal with various threats, whether from bad weather or enemy attacks. All of these features make the NH90 a top choice for military missions that demand resilience and quick adaptability.